Have you ever been to Mombasa? And if so, where did you stay and what did you do there? For those of you who've been following us for a while, you probably know we're a big fan of water. And that's exactly what I miss the most of living in Nairobi. No beach and no ocean inside. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annelies and here I share everything about my life abroad and my lifestyle. To all the new viewers, I'm so happy you're here. And to my loyal followers, thank you for your support, your comments and your motivation. You truly inspire me to keep creating unique content. In this video, I'm taking you to Mombasa, a coastal city in Kenya with stunning beaches and endless opportunities for water sports and relaxation. We decided to take the train from Nairobi to Mombasa. It's one of the 3 ways to get there. You also can drive or fly. But if you're looking for a relaxed journey and want to see the landscape change along the way, I definitely recommend the train. It takes about 6 hours, but it flies by. You get to watch the scenery shift from the green highlands of Nairobi to the dry, dusty savannah. The train even passes through Tsavo National Park, and we saw herds of elephants. Such a cool experience. Once you arrive in Mombasa, there are endless options for places to stay. Something for every budget. We chose to spend 5 nights at Shanzu Beach Resort in Shanzu. That's a large resort. It feels like a little village with coconut palms, beautiful gardens, winding path, and it's right on the Indian Ocean. The pool is amazing. With a lovely swimmer bar, you can literally order your drinks while sitting in the water. And the entire experience is luxury but not stiff or formal. We had a spacious ground floor room with a private terrace and an ocean view. Morning always started with a good cup of coffee and a relaxed breakfast at the buffet, all while looking out over the ocean and listening to the sound of the waves. After that, it's time for just chill, lounging by the pool, soaking up the sun, diving in whenever it got too hot. And then when the mood struck for some adventure, we went for it. We took long walks along Shanzu Beach. Such a peaceful stretch of coastline, soft sand, warm water and endless views. And then full throttle. We jumped on a jet ski and sped across the water at 75 kilometers per hour. That rush, that thrill, it was amazing. Pure adrenaline and so much fun. We also hopped on a glass bottom boat. Super cool to just look down and see fish. See urchins and coral drifting beneath you. It's like floating over an aquarium. We went snorkeling, my first time ever. The current was strong, so it took a bit of effort to get the hang of it. But what you see underwater is just incredible. Dozens of colorful fish, crystal clear water, and stunning coral. It really feels like stepping into another world. I actually got a little emotional. You don't want to stop, and only later do you realize how tiring it was, but totally worth it. A brand new experience for me, and I can wait to do it again. What's special about Shanzu Beach is that at low tide, if you go at the right time of day, you can walk far into the ocean. The water is warm and clear, and you can see starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers up close. Such a simple, peaceful moment, but it stays with you. We ate several times at Serena's main restaurant, both a la carte and from the buffet. And we had a diner at Jahazi Grill. It's a cozy seafood spot with a beautiful ocean view. Grilled fish, prawns, lobster, and everything was super fresh and full of flavor. In the evening there's plenty to do. From karaoke and a beach bar where you can sink your feet into the sand and re-guess your favorite songs, to performance by local groups. Or you can simply enjoy a quiet evening on the rooftop terrace, away from the crowds, just the two of you. And if you're up for a little fun, there's always a game of pool. Honestly, you don't even have to leave the resort to have an amazing vacation. Mombasa has it all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Have you ever tried snorkeling or jet skiing? Or maybe you have a favorite beach activity? Let me know. I'd love to hear your stories. And I hope to see you on the next trip. Bye!